This video explains how to build a song using different forms. In class, we listened to some examples of songs in different forms, and this is just a little reminder of how to put this together in your own song. So you're going to create a section. We're going to call that the A section, the ice cream section in this example, and you'll have a series of loops, and you'll have them layered, and those will make the A section of your piece. It should be about 30 seconds to a minute long. I'm not strict about it, but don't make it 6 minutes long, and make sure it's not just 5 seconds. Then create something totally different. So if you're using loops, you should have totally different loops, and you should have totally different backgrounds, rhythms, instruments, whatever you're working with, so the audience knows that this is a totally different sound. That's going to be your B section, which in this case is pizza. Once you've finished that, make sure it's about the same length as your A section. Once you finish that, you're going to put another A section, and you can honestly just copy and paste that A section, copy and paste all those loops, and put it at the end. If you'd like, you could create an intro or a coda, a musical ending, but you could just have straight ABA form. Building an ABACA form is a lot like when we built an ABA form. The big difference is that you're going to create a third section, C, in this case represented by the French fries, and then at the end come back to your A section again. Please make sure that your C section is about the same length as your A and B sections. They don't need to be exactly the same length, but they should be pretty close. One shouldn't be so much longer than the other section. Sometimes this form is called a rondo form. And those might go as long as A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, A, etc., 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 on and on and on. For this project, stick with ABACA. AABA is one of the most common forms found in music. You can make it like all of your other forms, but you'll notice that since the A section keeps coming back over and over, if you want, you could make each one a little different. So maybe change the dynamics or change the looping a little bit, make it happen a little longer, a little shorter. They should still sound very familiar, but you could change them a bit. And in that case, we put a little dash, and we would call it A prime instead of AABA. That's an option, so it's just so it's not as repetitive for you. Have fun doing this project.